People make something similar to this with PVC pipe. They just make a round PVC pipe like 6 inches and they just shove their fishing poles in there. I don't want that. What's happening, baby? Living the dream! Yeah! What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Living the Outdoor Dreams. I'm Stanley, your host. I'm about to show you all I'm doing with this custom camper top shell. You can see right here I got it laid out. In a prior video, I did some work on it. I actually cut it, sharpened it to be able to fit on my truck. Now, you're asking yourself, what's going to be so special about this camper top? Customized. Well, my truck is specifically going to be designed just for fishing. Mostly kayak fishing, but I'm going to have all my fishing gear in the back end of my truck. It's not just going to be tossed around, anything like that. The first thing that I'm going to be doing with this camper shell on top is for my rod holders. Well, not rod holders, I'm building a rod holder, but it's gonna be designed right here on the back end. You got your camper shell right here. I'm just gonna come right here, build another little shell, and I'm gonna have the wires. Let me calculate that. Now I'm gonna get back, I'm gonna lay this outside piece that I'm gonna put pieces. You'll see how it goes. It's gonna come out awesome, so watch the whole video. This is totally customized. Other things that I'm gonna be doing to the truck in the future. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, and let me jump on building this. Right now is I got my outside runner right here. I got another outside runner right there. So the width of this compartment that's going on top is 42 inches. So now I have to calculate how many sub dividers I'm gonna have to fit individual my fishing pole. Started putting my dividers, everything in place, and you can see Mother Nature wants to win on this valve. I just couldn't stop working. So I brought everything in here. Now, since I have a fishing pole in here, now you can see what it's looking like. It's gonna be a door that flips open right there. Put the pole in. It's gonna look super awesome. Watch, it will look awesome. I hope it does. Bottom piece, the front bottom, I got that underneath. I put some more braces right here. I ran some braces there along the center and along the outside because now I am time for this top piece. Let me cut this, then slap it on. Then once I slap it on, now I'm about to bring it out because it's done raining. So, but I never stop working, never. All right, let me cut this.